technical segment, right? On the technical segment, whoever feel, sir, yes, I have been learning on the technical concepts, but yes, I have not been applying. The main reason you don't apply your knowledge on technical analysis or even the charts reading into your stocks investments is because you have been not actively using TradingView, right? So yes, today what we will be focusing is, we will be focusing on the applications or the tools or the kind of a flexibility you have in seeing on the charts. So yes, whoever does not have a TradingView account, I've shared a link. I want every one of you to have a free TradingView account, right? So yes, I have a charts reading from my Demat from Upstocks, or I have a Demat account from my Zerodha, ICICI Direct, whatever it is. You do not have all the features inside it. So if you are comfortable in use it. But on the other side, having a free TradingView account gives you a lot of flexibility. So yes, TradingView account link is shared. I want every one of you to have a free basic TradingView account. Okay. So yes. So whatever you observe on the screen, this is the basic chart. So yes, whenever you load a chart, you right click on it, ensure that the chart is reset, right? You can just click on the reset chart view. And similarly, on the right side, on the scale part, right? On the scale, you right click, ensure that every time it is auto fit to the screen, and it should be a logarithmic scale. It should not be a regular scale, rather it should be a logarithmic scale. If both these are set, you can click on reset price scale. So everything will be reset now, right? Everything will be reset now. Now, in TradingView or using this charting method, some of the key segments what you need to remember is, first, yes, you need to understand how to use all the tools here, right? How to use all the tools here. This is very important. Second, you need to know what is the usage of this segment. You have your stocks, indexes, exchange traded fund. Even if you want to invest into US equity, right? You can just select a Nippon Nasdaq fund, Nippon Nasdaq ETF, right? Any investment. And yes, whatever you are learning on the charts is not only restricted to stocks, it is also for any ETFs you can check, any indices you can check on any abroad related investments into ETFs, or even it is also helpful for you to check on the cryptos, futures related. If any stock you want to check the futures price, you'll be able to check. Okay. And this is a time frame, right? Yeah, this is the time frame. So whatever you are seeing here, this is the time frame. Whether you're checking a daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame, or you're going to less than a day, means hourly, minutes, you can check. Okay. And here you have your charts, which chart you are using. Yeah, which chart you are using. And this is your indicators. Indicators, we get to it little later. We'll be learning about them also, right? So this platform is called as TradingView. And apart from that, alerts. Yes, you can set your alerts. Specific company, for example, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, which is loaded on your screen, right? Which is loaded on your screen. Yes, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, as it crosses 3036 and above, give me an alert. You can set your alert here. Okay. Replay. Replay is something wherein if you want to go back to a particular stock and you want to replay that, you can use this option. Right? Strategies. Any particular strategy you have built in. Like for example, in our platinum sessions, we have built Heikenhashi, squeeze momentum, combined kind of a strategy. You can save your strategy there. Right? And yes, these are all your settings. You can maximize it. And this is very, very important. I want every one of you to start using this, right? Start using this. Any chart, any company you are analyzing, take a snapshot of it, or just you can copy that link so that you can share it to someone, right? You can share it to someone. And yes, the rightmost corner is about the watch list preparation. If you want to know about the company or even the alerts creation, you have alerts creation here as well, right? Alerts creation you have here as well. Okay, so yes, this particular discussion is about the basic understanding of all the tools and facilities available in TradingView. Indicators, how to use them, advanced kind of a learning, we will be going through it. So I hope everyone got a understanding. First segment, yes, the tools I will be using, all the important indicators, timeframes related, and third, your watch list creation, right? Watch list creation, or even as you click here, you can have your watch list here. Any stock which you are analyzing, what is the basic data you will be getting? This is your alerts. You will get the opening, high, close, the change in volume, whatever is happening, right? Everything you will get the information on your rightmost corner. Now, apart from that, I also want you to understand the bottom corner here, right? So yes, as you observe here, sir, yes, I wanted to observe Nifty 50 performance in the last 1 year, right? So what do? You click here, click on Nifty 50. Yes. So you can just drag your mouse, right? You can just drag your mouse like this. So yes, you have gone to 2020 or even last 1 year. So from May 23 to May 22, right? Yeah, this is 1 year time frame. So yes, you can drag your mouse. You can drag your mouse. Apart from that, you have inbuilt time frames here, right? Inbuilt time frames here. So yes, sir, I want to look at 1 year chart, right? 1 year chart. So yes, once you have loaded your Nifty 50, just click on 1 year here. So as you see here, this candle is 16th May 2022. And yes, this candle is 16th May 2023. So you get the entire 1 year ka data here. I want to look at last 5 years data of Nifty 50. I'll just select 5 years. So you will get 14th May 2018 to 16th May 2023. So you're able to see last 5 years ka data. Sir, I want to have a specific time period. I want to look at 2.5 months, right? 2.5 months. So yes, you have an option here, go to, and you can give your custom range here. So why am I telling you that? Sir, yes, a specific company after an event, from that event to till date, I want to analyze, or even 1 year before, during that period from COVID, before COVID 1 month and after COVID 1 month, I want to observe how the stocks are moving, or I want to just take a mental mind map of that, right? So yes, you can select in this time frame related, right? Time frame related. Now, first, let's cover on all the topmost area of TradingView, right? Let's cover all the topmost area of TradingView. First, as you know, this is the tool, or this is an option for you. This is used for your symbol search, right? Symbol search. Yes, now I am using Nifty 50. And any particular fund you wanted to load here, you can load here, right? Yeah, here you have your Nippon India Bs, right? You have your Nippon India Nifty Bs. So this is on the Bs related, right? On the Bs related. Sir, yes, I want to look at gold Bs, right? Gold Bs. Nippon India ETF Gold Bees. So yes, whatever you are learning here is applicable to all the investments part. Okay. Silver Bees. Yes. Nippon India Silver Bees. You can choose anything, right? You can choose anything. And the best part is when you have loaded Nifty 50 here, right? You have loaded Nifty 50. Okay. Yeah, you can click on reset chart view. So you get the entire chart here. Sir, apart from Nifty 50, I want to see performance of a stock with respect to Nifty. Yes. So there is a symbol called as add, right? Compare or add symbol. So you click on add and you load Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, right? HAL. So yes, this orange line, you check this orange line. So this orange reflects Hindustan Aeronautics share, and you get a rough comparison whether HAL is stronger than Nifty 50 or not, right? I'm saying here you can compare two stocks, two indices, right? Here, yes, last 1 month, what has been the pattern? Whether HAL is stronger or Nifty 50 is stronger, right? Even Nifty 50 is this Nifty Realty. Yeah. So this is Nifty Realty is loaded. Now I will add Bank Nifty, right? I'll add Bank Nifty. So yes, when you are comparing Nifty Realty with Bank Nifty, the orange reflects Bank Nifty. And if you look at last 1 month, so yes, Nifty Realty is more stronger than Bank Nifty. You get the comparison tool, right? You get the comparison tool. And as we go forward in our discussions, we'll use about the indicators related also. Relative strength, there are indicators which we discuss, which will also compare the benchmark stocks which are stronger than the benchmark, indices which are stronger than the benchmark. But this is a facility available in TradingView, right? And now, as you know, this is the time frame: daily, weekly, monthly, right? Daily, weekly, monthly. And for any conservative investor, or sir, I am a beginner, I've just started learning into stock market, I'm not a professional. For all of you, start with a daily time frame, weekly time frame, and monthly time frame. Don't venture into less than 1 day time frame, right? See what happens. Remember one thing very, very blindly. As you reduce the time frame, there will be more volatility or there will be more fluctuation in the market. I'll repeat, for a beginner, for a conservative investor, or just started learning, analyze the companies on time frames of daily, weekly, and monthly. Daily is for your short-term investments, where you are investing for few days, few weeks, or few months, right? 1-2 months like that, 3 months like that, right? Daily time frame. Weekly and monthly are for your long-term investments. Sir, yes, a company I'm holding for 3 years, 5 years like that, you can look at these time frames. And yes, as you excel on it, as you master on it, we can again further go into hourly time frame. This brings more volatility, right? More risk is involved. And yes, anything less than 1 day you are going, that will be into intraday trading, scalping technique, right? Scalping technique. So do not worry about the technical jargons. Scalping means you are there in a stock just to grab 10 points and then you move away. That is called a scalping technique. I repeat, scalping technique means you enter into a stock, a trending kind of a company, you wait for grabbing 10-20 points, you invest a higher capital. Once you got that, you exit out of the stock. For example, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, right? As you see here on 16th May, when it started at 9:15 here, someone who uses scalping technique, even you can go for 15 minutes in a lower time frame. That we discuss later, right? So yes, you will be able to grab these two candles, and this is enough for you for that trade. Scalping, right? Scalping technique is a intraday trade, right? Intraday trade. And yes, by default, we use candlestick chart, right? Yeah, this is a candlestick chart. By default, we use candlestick chart. Okay, there are line chart, bar charts, multiple charts are there here, but yes, always we use candle. You can just favorite this. And yes, indicators is a much deeper subject. We go through it later on. First, I want every one of you to use the basic tools. Okay, and even whenever you load your trading view, you get only the stock or the index. You don't get this volume, right? Whatever you are seeing down, this volume is also an indicator, right? So whenever you are opening your trading view, if you are getting a chart like this, you go to indicators and you just type here volume, right? You just type here volume, and yes, your volume is loaded down, right? Your volume is loaded down. And sir, yes, what is the significance of volume? Price and volume is very, very powerful, right? When you are looking at a stock and the stock price is moving with the volume part, it is very, very powerful, right? If you wanted to understand the power of it, right? Understand the power of it, I want you to understand the relationship between price and volume, right? So as you see on the screen, whenever the stock price is rising, and yes, whenever the volume is also continuously rising, it is called as a strong uptrend. And yes, any stock which is giving a wonderful combination of price rise and volume increasing is called as uptrend. It's a very, very strong uptrend. And yes, the price is rising, but the volume is gradually reducing. Means it is an uptrend, but that uptrend is getting weakened because volume wise, it does not have that support. Price is declining and volume is rising. Means price continuously falling and there is heavy volume. So here you see your red bars. Red bars means sellers are there, right? Sellers are there. And yes, sir, why are we learning this? Once you understand the relationship between price and volume, you get to know what decisions you have to take in the market, right? So yes, this kind of a market reflects that it is a strong downtrend. When the stock price is falling and the volumes are not very, very significant, you need not worry. Means the sellers are not huge. But yes, the volume is declining and the price is declining and the volume is continuously increasing. It's a strong downtrend. Sellers are dominating. And lastly, volume declining and even your price is also declining. It is a reflection of, yes, the downtrend is getting weakened, right? The prices are falling and as the volumes are coming down, the number of sellers are also reducing. So this downtrend will come to a halt, right? Will come to a halt. So yes, here, whatever you are seeing on the screen. So whenever you look at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, this price move, this is a wonderful price move combined with volume is phenomenal, right? Yes, someone is aggressively adding here. It can be institution or it can be any big player, right? Any big player. Okay. So yes, this relationship of price and volume is very important. And yes, this is one thing I want every one of you to think deeper. Sir, yes, when a company price is falling, just don't focus on the price, focus on what is happening in the volume, right? When the volume is also increasing, it means more number of sellers are exiting that stock. When the red bars are increasing, sellers are exiting. So that's a reflection of a strong downtrend. And if anyone tries to pick a stock during the strong downtrend, you are trying to catch a falling knife. Even though it's a fundamentally stronger company, Do not try to catch a falling knife. You will cut your hand, and yes, you will be bleeding, right? So yes, this is about your trading view applications.